In spring of 2018, just inside the northern border of the Grand Canyon-Parashant National Monument, near Poverty Mountain, Parashant staff discovered a large unauthorized removal of vegetation. Heavy machinery was likely used to clear the trees for an unknown reason. This caused erosion and damage to important wildlife habitat. To remedy the situation, an interdisciplinary team of Parashant employees was organized to initiate the restoration of the damaged area.
So our efforts today are we're going to pull some trees, try and preserve the surface. We're going to try and rehab the site. So thanks to my staff here, we're doing good things here.
Run down, see what you can find down at the end. See how far you think it may go.
So one of my big concerns is erosion. If you look around us, we had a rain event relatively recently, and if you look up, you can start seeing where there's exposed dirt. That's where the water actually sheeted down over the surface because the plants are no longer there to hold the water and the soil together. So one of the things we're also going to be doing is periodically is sort of creating a water bar effect. Using the existing vegetation, it'll sort of mash down into the mud and help hold the soil and minimize future erosion.
I can see it.
So as you can see, we're doing more logs and trees early close to the road just to try to get people to avoid going down there, because it seems like once someone goes about 10 feet, they want to keep going another 10 feet. So this is just a deterrent mostly.
So right here, we got carcinite signs that we're gonna put no access stickers on to signify that this is for sure closed and should never be used again.
Good job, team. That was awesome. Yeah. Good work, Grant. You're an animal. Look at how great this came out. We got all the trees right here. It's going to help us stop the erosion.
Evan did a great job. We got done with it in record time, just a couple hours, and hopefully this is going to be enough to allow this place to be rehabbed and grow back in the natural state it should be.